Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox Majorettes because a lot of people started buying Majorettes a lot. Even whether I'm going to Hamleys or any other shops which used to have a lot of Majorettes back then. I mean, they used to hang in pegs for nearly a year without anyone touching it. I only bought all those castings during 2023. So now people are buying those as well. I'm not even finding that much of Majorettes nowadays. So with that said, I'm going to unbox some older Majorettes, somewhere between 2023 and I mean one or two older than that, and one is from last year. So let's start with that. I don't want to keep you guys in suspense. Okay, so this is a limited edition, Beetle GSR. So this one I think I bought it from a website in India. I don't remember which website is it because you can see the MRP here, which is mentioned as 299. That was the price which I bought. I think a year back or so. I didn't buy this in 2019 exactly. This is a 2019 casting you can see here, but I didn't buy this casting during 2019. I bought it a year back or so only, but I don't remember from which site at that time. I mean, currently I'm not remembering that, but I did buy it from a website back then. Okay, so with that said, this is a 2019 casting I'm still having from limited edition Majorette, and this is just bare metal with this uh, what is this gloss finish. Okay, so this is the limited edition from 2023. I bought this entire set. I mean, I didn't buy it in one take. I originally bought only a few from this. Actually, it has six. Yeah, it has six. So if you guys remember, if you guys are following my channel for a long time at this point, you might remember I used to keep this particular Porsche in the desk back then. So this is the very first casting I unboxed, this particular Porsche 917. So that is a beautiful casting. So after that, I did unbox this, e-tron, Audi e-tron. So after that, I went ahead and bought Urus because that time I bought every version of Urus. You can see two Urus here, right here. So that is also from 2023, that ice white one and that golden version with the body kit. So these are from Tune Up Series 2023, and this one is I think super rare, and that one is rare, I guess. Yeah. So I think there is one more version. I don't remember it exactly, but this is one other variant. So the only difference between this and that one was the colors were reversed entirely there. So this is full black with this golden livery here, and that one is full golden with this black livery here. The colors are just reversed on the body. The rims remains the same. So this is the limited edition one. Okay, since we unboxed two already, so we are going to unbox the rest of the castings in this week. Okay, this is the Ford Mustang GT. I really loved this so much because the golden color really popped on this particular casting compared to others, because others are like the golden color has very few areas to play. I mean, but this one, it is fully in golden color with a little bit of black striping on it. Okay, this is the another one, Toyota 2000 GT. I do have this 2000 GT in a different color. I think that a racing livery, I think the yellow color one, which I unboxed a long back. So I do have this 2000 GT by Tomica as well. That one was so beautiful. It was a solid casting. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, which is this, the Dodge Charger RT. I mean, I do have this Dodge Charger RT in multiple variants. So one of them is this one. That is the Dodge Charger RT. That is the tune-up series version. You can attach that engine block and this body kit and everything. And I don't know where is the other one. I don't remember it now. I think I do have one more. I think the red color variant, something I do have. Okay, I don't want to waste time on this. Okay, so the last but not least, one of my favorite. So this one. So this I bought in Malaysia, and you can see Porsche Thailand. But I bought this in Malaysia, and you can see the Toys R Us logo here. I bought this in I bought this in Malaysia only. Okay. Fine. So we will be unboxing this entire week. So stay tuned, guys, and have a great day. Goodbye.